9 minus 9 equals 0, 6 minus 6 equals 0, 0 times 0 equals 0. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present, and we also have a multiplication operator present. According to the rules, multiplication has higher priority over subtraction, so we need to solve this multiplication first. 9 times 6, that equals 54. Our expression simplifies to 9 minus 54 minus 6. Now we have two subtraction operators present, and according to the rules we have to work from left to right. So we need to solve this subtraction first. 9 minus 54, that gives us negative 45, and negative 45 minus 6 equals negative 51, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.